Guys, I welcome you all on my YouTube channel Lovelight Online Helper. Here I give you information regarding all kinds of online activities so that you can work very easily on all online platforms. Today I will discuss you regarding one application known as Solvencer, which can be downloaded from Android Play Store. This application gives you rewards when you solve doubts. This application is an academic doubt solving hub where you can earn up to rupees 50,000 online simply by solving the tasks of class 6 to 12 of NEET and JEE level. The questions are of easier level and some are difficult level also, but easier questions can be solved and you can earn up to rupees 50,000. You can earn very much more if you are doing very hard work. I will show you how to easily handle the Solvencer in this video. The Solvencer has many projects. Here I will discuss you regarding live tutoring project. Live tutoring means time limited question solving is there. You have to solve the questions in limited time. So I will show you project introduction, basic requirement for typed answers, answer criteria, app introduction, internship, and how to become a full-time worker on this application. There are 5 points I will discuss one by one. Project introduction. This platform focuses on solving maths problems of overseas junior and high school students. Means the students who upload the question are of outside India and they upload questions of middle school and high school, and you have to answer their questions within 30 minutes and you can earn money by solving those questions. Basic requirements for answering questions. There are 2 requirements easily. Typing requirement, other formatting requirement. Answer must be typed using computer. Save as a PDF the file first. Take the screenshot of which complete answer and analysis in the PDF. You can type the questions answer and you can take a screenshot after then and then you can upload. Format requirement is there. Use strict math formula. Means if math, because it is maths question, you have to use the maths formula and you have to write the correct way of writing the maths formula. And one annotation you can provide. Annotation means one bracketed information you can provide. So this way, see, this is the question you can see, this is the question and answer how you have to provide. See, answer and analysis. Answer means final answer and this is the analysis. Analysis you have to do, you have to write whole analysis and answer you have to see. Analysis this way, 2 types are shown here. So easily you can earn by solving the question. Typing requirement. Answer must be typed using computer. Means you have to type the answer, then you have to save as PDF, then open the PDF, then take the screenshot and then upload the answer in answer and analysis section. You have seen na, answer section you have to upload and analysis section. Next point is typing requirement. Example, like same thing whatever you have shown you backside, same thing is there. You have to upload. See, picture if required you have to upload, if not required you do not have to upload. Here it is no picture question, here it is a picture type question. Here answer picture is uploaded. Recommended tools: LaTeX, MathType, Microsoft Word. LaTeX is a kind of application where you can use the tools to type the formula. Like you have to write integration symbol, then you can use in LaTeX and MathType tools. Microsoft Word is, you know, in Microsoft Office you can do that thing. Format requirement: use strict math formula and math rule to type answer. Yes, you have to use math rules. Font Cambria Math and Times New Roman, these fonts can be used. Bold, you don't have to bold. Size should be 12 and black color. And 1 centimeter blank leaving for 4 sides when taking a screenshot. Means 1 centimeter side by side, all 4 sides 1 centimeter distance you have to keep for typing the answer. See, you have to write in English. Germany appeared in the solution process. German word should not be appeared. See, German word or any other language should not be appearing, only English language. Here you see other languages are not accepted except English. English is only accepted. Incomplete screenshot should not be there. You see the cropping has not been done properly, so this is an incomplete screenshot, so this is not accepted. So no blank leaving when taking the screenshot. Here blank is not given. Here you see space is not given. Here space here space you have to provide. So this is not acceptable, and you have to not give improper format. You see that it is rotated upside down, that picture, so it is not correct way. You have to take screenshot horizontally. Other colors except for black are not accepted. See, this blue color is there in the solution, so it is also not accepted. Black only is required. Summary, whatever I have told you, that is the summary. Answer in English, other language are not required. Type both your answers. Analysis computer, you have to type your answers. Font Cambria Math and Times New Roman are only accepted. First you can save your work as PDF, then you can take a screenshot, and then you can upload the answer in uploading section. Answering criteria, multiple choice question will be there, fill in the blanks question will be there, short answer question will be there, proof questions will be there. For there are different criteria. Answer criteria, multiple questions. Answer and the analysis should be uploaded separately, and the answer is submitted first, followed by analysis. First you have to submit answer, then analysis. This is the analysis section. Solution means analysis section, and this is the answer section. You have to write everything step by step. Don't skip the step, otherwise your answer will be rejected and you will not get any amount for that question. Calculated multiple choice question, the process can be written according to the calculation problem. You have to always write true or false for multiple choice questions. In addition to explaining the correct option, each wrong option must be explained. Each wrong option also should be explained if multiple questions are there. Answer criteria, fill in the blanks. Answer and analysis should be uploaded separately, and the answer should be prior to the analysis. No skipping steps you don't have to skip here also. Show the formula in detail. In detail you have to show the formula. Treat fill in the blank question as short answer question. Fill in the blanks question should be treated as blank questions, as short questions, and analysis, there is no distinction between bid and means here also you have to do analysis. Don't try to escape from the analysis part. Answering criteria for short answers. Here also you have to reach step by step all questions, and you have to give full analysis of the answer. Two or more questions, answering questions need to pay more attention to the relationship between the question and previous question. Problem setting of the question is progressive, and attention should be paid to the echoes in the section of ideas and solutions. Answering criteria proof, like if you have to prove something, you have to must provide a diagram if it is required. So multiple questions are there. If I have told you how to do multiple questions, if there are more than two questions should be skipped. Understood, friends? If questions are two, then you can skip the question. You don't have to answer that question. Tools, again tools are there: GeoGebra, Symbolab, Photomath, Wolfram, Alpha. These are tools where you can use the tools to write or type your question answer. So this is the summary. App introduction, how app interface looks like. This app you will download, sign in page is there. You have to provide your mobile number, then OTP will come, then you have to log in, then this type of interface will be there. Here you see questions are there, and two questions are there. You can take the task, then you can start solving it. Again here questions, price is there, quality check, this is quality checker, and this is production, means you have to solve the question. This quality checker means quality people will take your answer and check your questions answer, but here 24 rupees you are seeing, you have to take the question. How to secure a question means you have to just take the question, you will secure a question. What to do after securing question? When you secure a question, here is the answer column, here is the analysis column. You have taken a screenshot. I have shown you already that you have to upload here answer section, analysis section, then you have to submit. If you want to skip the question, you can skip from this button. Skip button you can see here the skip button. Skip regions are there, many regions are there. Image not qualified, wrong subject, too hard to answer, contains more than two questions, incomplete question, wrong language, not a valid question, other region. All regions you can select if you want to skip any region. See, when image is blurred, you can select skip region as image not qualified. When incomplete question is there, incomplete question region will be selected. Wrong subject means if question is of other subject like physics or chemistry, you can reject it. Language will If it is not in English, you can reject it. If you don't know how to answer, you can too hard to answer column skip it. Multiple more than 2 questions, you can reject it. Contains more than 2 questions. If it is irrelevant picture, suppose somebody has given his on selfie, then you can reject the question as a not a valid question, because that is not a question, that is a selfie something. And question must be explained in English. So you can see the interface. If you don't want to solve the question, that cross you are saying that if you will put that you can abandon the task. Abandon, you can see the page abandon task, how you can do. See, quality inspection, quality people can check your answer like this. If they want to reject your answer, if something is missing, something is wrong, then they can reject based on this page. Internship, when you join this application on live tutoring, your internship, you will be on trial period for 3 days. You have to do one question every day for next 3 days, and your answer will be judged by Solvencer quality team. You have to follow all the guidelines. If any mistake is there, your answer will be rejected and your account will also be banned. You cannot answer further. And when you will finally pass the 3 days trial test, then you will be posted in the LARC group, where you can easily handle your account, and you can ask all queries in that group, and you will work forever on this application till you are not disqualified or failed or your account is banned. So I have given you all the information, friends. Thanks for watching my video. Please like my video, comment if you want to have any query, share my videos, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching again. Thank you very much.